cows over here. So over here, I got a lot of rocks. I gotta watch for this and that. Chicken and chicken eggs and this and that. And cats and dogs and horses. So I got this whole side already done right here. As you can see, all the lines are me going across it. And I got my Cub Cadet ride-on lawnmower 5000 series. It has 900 horsepower. It's a real tractor puller, as you want to call it. See that trailer right there? I can pull that trailer. I can pull that car with it. Yep. I got this whole side done. I got turbo in this thing. So I'm gonna start this next side, and hopefully I get done with everything tonight, because all I gotta do then is just weed eat, and I'll be happy with that. Here we go. And when you do your ride on lawnmower, either ride on lawnmower or your when you do your ride-on lawnmower or your walk-behind lawnmower, always check your grounds for things that you're going over. You don't want to go over no metal, no big pieces of wood, no rocks, no big rocks, because you don't want to mess your blade up. Look at all my chickens. They're all scared right now. But you don't want to go over nothing that'll mess your blade up. Let's get going.